Y'all already know what it is. The couch don't lie, and we don't hold back. Camera clicks, bass drop. Welcome to the motherfucking Clout Couch. Clout Couch. Clout Couch. Talk that clout. Talk that clout. Talk that clout, sit down, let it out. Everybody got a mic, but they quiet in the drought. We don't do cap, we don't do scripts. Clout Couch, hot takes, talk real, not clip. From the trap to the TikTok trends, we the voice in the back that don't play pretend. No filter, no fake, no off switch here. You say it from the couch, the whole net gon' hear. Talk that clout, talk that clout. Yeah, we viral on the gram and the streets gon' vouch. Pull a mic hot, better watch that mouth. Every guest leave shook when they hit this couch. Clout Couch, clout that clout, clout that clout. Clout Couch, where culture sits down and speaks up.
What up, my good old people? Yeah, I'll be back with another one. Okay, let's get into it. This is Clout Couch, where the culture sits down and speaks up. Okay? Now, like I said once before, whatever the clout is, that's where we're gonna be at. So go comment, subscribe, do all that. Hit the notification bell, hit them thumbs up, and let's get it cloudy. Okay, now we're gonna see which video we about to look into. Alright. We're about to see which video we're gonna look into real quick. Who's in full effect and Figueroa roast facts. Back yanking thing. What? You see. Stay tuned in Hoover Street versus Hoover Street. Sounds lovely. Alright. So I think we're gonna get into this one right here. I think I wanna do this one right here. Cause this is C Star and his page is C Star fan page. So I think I'm gonna get into this with the C Star dude on 40. Let me see what else. We'll come back to that. I will beat the F out of you, Big Sad on King PLC through urine in his face. Dang, brother. It's a lot going on, brother. Europe prepares for war with Russia. Iran announcing. That's a cool one too. I think we're gonna go with this one right here. Real quick. Iran fan, your baby goes from Rolling Honey. Alright, that's Young At right there. Milk caught slipping my arms. Walking in the Hoover set where Gumby. You know what? Let's check this out. Let's check this out. This is Milk TV, right? It's Milk TV right here. So the hot topic recipient of the day is milk. Let's get it going. Let's get it popping. Let's see what they got going today. Check it out. Check it out.
Editing a video used to mean making all the decisions alone. Trim this, cut.
North, south, east, west, the deal. Welcome back to It's Milk TV, It's Milk Gang. Y'all already know the script. Let's take them few seconds and get our minds right real quick. Come on. Now look, it's time for another reaction video. Well, I guess this is breaking news. Apparently, I got caught slipping, like lacking, walking down Figueroa. So we gonna go. Let's see what's the script. Come on. You got what? This is crazy.
Milk, that kind of look like you, bro. That look like you, bro. Don't lie. What are you, Muslim now? God.
Crazy. I got you. What did you get, bro? Well, you got like a little video of me walking down the street. See, people get on the internet or they get in person and talk to people and act like they milk ops. But in all actuality, bro, I got people that ain't my ops. They like paparazzi. Like I got paparazzi. I can't go nowhere without somebody video recording me, bro. And the crazy part about it is, it's like without my knowledge, or so they think so. Because whoever this was, I mean, they sped by me going like 74 miles per hour. Talking about they caught me slipping. How you catch me slipping and you drive by me going 74 miles per hour and like scream out, I caught you! Bro, I can't hear that, you going so fast. That's like if I'm watching a video and the playback speed get picked to like 1.50. Bro, I'm not gonna be able to barely understand what you saying. Like, come on. Like, bro, like, all I can say is,
Hey, bro. Milk, you try to act so hard, bro. You not hard, bro. You're not hard to catch. You're not hard to see. I mean, ain't nobody just speed past you. Lucky they don't stop. Wow. All right.
stuff like this, bro, I just be like, wow, like I really made it. Like it's crazy. Like I be having like TMZ following me, like real paparazzi, bro. Now if this is me getting caught slipping, bro, then I'm gonna consider this Gilligan activity. This is bad. The guy failed miserably. Like he gonna get a negative 10.7 on the Gilligan scale, because this was bad. Like, come on, bro. Like, and I'm just so thankful. I'm just so thankful that this wasn't no real op and this was like a paparazzi, bro. Because I didn't want to make the news that day. I mean, I didn't want to make the news. I mean, I'll make the news. Let's go viral. You feel? Let's go viral. And I'm just playing. I don't want to make the news in that way. I don't want them to be saying YouTuber was walking down the street and somebody pulled up and pow, 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 shots got the, I don't want that to happen, bro. So I'm so thankful that wasn't no real op, man. Shout out to that dude for keeping it smooth, going by me at 74 miles per hour, screaming at me and then posting a video saying he caught me.
He been real funny, bro. You are real sarcastic life, man. Damn.
Still lacking. See, that's cool. I'm like, the stimulus package for people, bro. If they want to get on the internet and they want to gain a little buzz, they trying to get like them 1,000 subscribers or them 500 subscribers to get monetized. They need some watch time hours. And they mention me. They mention me, bro. But that's cool, cause I created a lane in Los Angeles and it spread it, bro. Because in 2019, prior to I'll say June 2019, it was not nobody in Los Angeles or Los Angeles County that was a gang member, gang banger, anybody in the streets, homie, speaking on street politics, doing reaction videos, the street content, fight videos, videos like Almighty Suspect getting DP'd and getting put off by the BPS's, bro. Like, I started all of that. And I caught flack, bro.
Dang. I don't know why Compton Rig Rock said that, but now he just swallowing that shit up. Oh, I'm not saying, oh, I'm the one who's doing the content. Oh, I'm the one. First of all, I ain't never been seen, and I'm the one that was doing content way before Milk, this white boy. Only thing Milk was doing is content on like other white boy gangbangers. That's all he was doing. If you look up my pages back in the day, I was doing this type of stuff, but I was never seen. So
bro, until I got to 10,000 subscribers. Then they was like, whoa, you got 10,000 subscribers. But yeah, I'm the stimulus package for these people if they want clout, if they want attention, bro. But I'm not really tripping off the paparazzi and the TMZ like that because, like I said, it makes me feel good. Like, man, I'm really famous. Like, I am famous, bro. And then on another note, it's free promo to me, bro. It's putting my name out there more. It's bringing more subscribers to me, bro. So I've never been the type that really trip off that. But this was Gilligan activity. I ain't even gonna lie, like, bro, like, you was a paparazzi, like you was a fan. You should have said, man, I was driving down the street and caught Milk. But then people come with clickbait. It's clickbait. Milk got caught slipping. Huh. Milk got caught slipping. But you
that ain't clickbait. Stop lying. Stop lying, Milk. You know you got caught. Or should I say sour milk?
went by more than 74 miles per hour, bro. How you know Milk slipping, bro? Milk got the black hoodie on. Milk got the beanie in case it gotta get put over his head. Milk seemed ready, bro. And then Milk ain't no Macaulay Culkin. Milk ain't from the burbs. Milk didn't come from.
Milk, what are you waiting for, bro? Like, what is it are you waiting for? I'm not understanding. What? You giving it up that you ready to burn somebody? What? What are you ready for? You ain't saying. Sounds like you're scared of me. All right.
The valley, bro. So you gotta think in your head. Like, man, when I approach this dude, man, how is this gonna go? Because I know Milk 7'4" ain't no damn Slim Jesus, bro. Yeah, man, but shout out to that dude for the free promo. And I want y'all to let me know what do y'all rate this on the Gilligan scale.
I hired a full team without.
All right. But go over there and subscribe to Milk TV. You feel me? He's still the guy. I still watch his Milk. All right. So that's it for that. We're gonna get into some more content. Let me see what else. I just wanted to talk to you about real quick. Let me see. That's gonna be my title.
Mahalo e kai ana. Ko ha o lelo ana kilo. A waho mai o ia a tapu ia. Ea, ke kuponi mui o. A ole pili ke ia ia. Pili no ia o. Ia mai na o. E na a kua ia ole lo ke. A ole na. E si ino. E paki o puni. Na iwi. Na iwi o ko o mo kutani. Ko nei no. Ana ai kua ela o nei.
Right. Let me see what else. What else can we check?
Italiana. Ua waha e e tū mo kutani a kau. Wake here on the wall.
All right, I think I'm ending here. But comment, subscribe, press some thumbs up, and I'm out. Thank y'all.